How to add widgets on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this should work on the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel phones. So to add a widget, tap and hold on the home screen. This option will pop out. Click on widgets. Now here you can add from many options. All these are different widgets for different applications. Let's search for, I'm gonna add a calendar to my home screen. So I'm gonna search for calendar here. Click on calendar. Then I'm gonna add this calendar. Tap and hold. Then drag onto your home screen. Now this will add the calendar. Now let's say I want to add another widget. Tap and hold. Oh, I'm sorry. Tap and hold. Click on widgets. Then search for notes, like quick notes. And then I'm gonna tap and hold. Then I'm gonna add it to my home screen. So this is another widget. Basically, it will allow me to make quick notes on the fly. So here I'm gonna click on here. This is like if I want to make whatever note that I want to make, then you can save it quickly. You could also add like to-do list. If you have like a quick, if you want to make a quick shopping cart, you can do it here quickly and you don't need to go to the application. So let's go back to the widgets. Now there's many options that you can pick from. You can even add a clock. If you want to see the clock, you can add it. I'm gonna click here. I'll put it right here. And then yeah, I just picked an option. Now it shows me the clock. So you can play around with it, but that's how to add widgets on your Google Pixel phone. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.